Now you can buy my recipe book by going on the site Krsnatarian.com. There are options available for outside India and within India. There are different formats like hardcover, paperback, ebook, Kindle, Kobo, and PDF formats. Different websites are available for the purchases. I'm putting the link in the description. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today's recipe is going to be a very simple chaat recipe. I have a lot of childhood memories with this recipe. There would be vendors coming with this particular Chana Chaat and we would be eating it. So what I have done is I have made a Vaishnav version of it, means no onion and garlic, and just made it exactly the same way with a little bit of twist in it. So let's proceed towards the recipe. So first I have taken Desi Chana, which is also called as black chickpeas. So I had soaked overnight 2.5 cups of these chanas, and overnight after soaking I had whistled it one time, and that's how soft it got. So it's firm from outside, but at the same time it is soft enough that it is cooked. Now I'm going to show the other ingredients which I used. I have taken around 1.5 cups of finely chopped cucumber. Now if you have a very big cucumber, then you can just chop that, peel and chop that. Now after this I have taken celery. This is around 1/2 cup of celery. Now if you do not have celery, then you can use finely chopped cabbage. Then I chopped 2 tomatoes. They were medium sized tomatoes. I removed the seeds and I just used that. And then I have taken 1/2 cup of cilantro. I also wanted to use raw mangoes, but unfortunately I couldn't find that in the market this time. So if you can find raw mangoes, then that is great. Just use that in them. And I've taken here around 4 small size boiled potatoes. They are firm, at the same time they are completely cooked, so they are soft like this. So I boiled them, peeled them, and then chopped them in this size. Now I've used 3 chilies. I used 2 red and 1 green. So you just have to blend it in a blender, or you just use this mortar paster and just ground it like that. So I'm going to add that. It depends upon the kind of intensity you want of the spice with respect to the masala. So I've just used 3 because that's what my household demands for. So I'm going to mix everything together. Now let's start putting one by one the spices. So first I have added around 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. After that I added around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I added just a pinch of hing. You can even use a 1/4 teaspoon of it. Now the main ingredient, which is around 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, a safe chaat masala, and then 2 medium sized yellow lemon. Squeeze the juice out. There is one more thing, that in this particular recipe either you can use black salt together with the salt, or you can just use salt plainly. So what I did was I mixed the black salt together with the regular salt, and then I have mixed it. So after squeezing this lemon, I'm going to mix this well, and then I'm going to add around 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Now the chaat masala already had the salt, so that's why I have not put too much salt to it. So that's it. After mixing it, I'm going to put this aside like for around 5 to 10 minutes. Let the salt and all the spices nicely dissolve with the lemon juice. You can also keep it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it out. So here is our street style Chana Chaat masala ready. At the street they make it very, very spicy. I do not like that much spicy, but if you have that kind of taste buds then you can try it. But this is also very spicy because I already added like 3 chilies and they were like spicy chilies, and then the chaat masala had the spice and the red chili powder. So yes, offer now this at the lotus feet of Krishna by placing a tulsi leaf. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.